So welcome one and all. Before teaching, let me ask you a few questions. Okay. When teacher teach you, at that time, what is your duty? What you will do when teacher teach you? Through the chat, you can reply, Miss Student. Okay, very good. Pay attention. Listen to the teacher. Okay, listen to the teacher carefully. If suppose you're not understand some new words, or you are not understand what the teacher is saying, or what the in front of the person is saying, so at that time what you will do? If you are not supposed to understand some particular topic or some particular new word, so what you will do? Very good, you will ask your doubt, you will ask the queries to the teacher. Very good here. Manasvi, Tanisha, Arnav, Adarsh. Okay, so many students are replied. Okay, now just tell me one thing. The new words or new concept or new things, from where you get all these new things? From where you get all these new things? From where you get all this new information? Textbook, okay. Textbook or else teacher, from the teacher. Only just teacher teach you, only just teacher guide you each and everything. Yes, your parents also. Your parents also teach you, your teacher also teach you. But how you supposed to understand? Very good, Kapil, that we listen to the teacher and parents by listening. Very good. How you supposed to understand? The first step is that you start heard, you start listening. See, student, there is a difference in heard and listening. When you listening, that time you are understanding also what the in front of the person is saying to you. You listening carefully. Understood? जितना आप चीजों को सुनते हैं, how you listening, that time you are start to developing yourself. How much you listen, that you grasp up, and it goes into mind, you learn, and that time you are reacting on that thing. Understand? जो आप सुनते हैं, जो आप समझते हैं, उसी के वैसे ही आप रिएक्ट करते हैं. Understood? Now let me share my screen. Wait a minute. Just give me a few seconds, students. All right. So our new topic today is be a good listener. So, student, for be a good listener, first you have to be listen towards the speaker, what the speaker is saying you. Okay, it is important to be a good listener when you are learning a new languages, when you are dealing with other people, new languages. If you are learning, at that time you have to listen it properly, and then after you find out difficult errors, what kind of issue you facing when you learn a new things or a new languages. A good speaker, a good speaker always grabs our attention, but a good listener, if pay attention to the speaker, they learn a new things, new information, and the new knowledge. So what you have to do here? Here you have to be a good listener while following some kind of major steps. First thing, that you have to look towards the speaker when the speaker is saying to you something. Suppose when in a classroom, teacher teach you. What you do at that time? You have to pay attention towards the teacher. Only just looking towards the teacher, it's not enough. You have to be pay attention, focus, and concentrate towards the teacher. Here, some of the things that help you to understand the speaker better. Okay. If you are a good listener, so you have to pay attention to the speaker. Some are the major points. Like if you heard a new words or new meaning, new words or new sentences, try to understand the meaning of that new words. Okay. Try to understand the meaning of that new words. If you're not able to understand what the speaker is trying to tell us, be patiently, calmly listen towards the speaker. Let the speaker complete their speech and then, after, politely ask your doubt. Whatever your doubt, politely ask to the speaker. For example, in a classroom, also, if you are not able to understand what the teacher is saying, so what you will do? You will stand up and asking question to the teacher. Okay. Not only in a classroom, insist of your classroom, when you go outside in your surrounding and you learn a new things. For example, you learning a cycling, how to cycle, so at that time you asking a questions to the particular person. Okay, so you will get the information about it, that how to do a cycling. For example, if you are try to learn a computer, how to operate a computer, and the person teach you that how to operate the computer, how many functions are there, at that time your brain is started questioning to yourself, what is the new words of this, what is the new word, meaning of this new word, how to be operate this function, how to be utilize the computer, what is what we call the part of the computer, and what is the uses of it. Okay. And if you are not understand, politely ask your doubt to that particular person. Do not feel shy or afraid to ask the question. Never to feel shy or afraid, because if you asking the question, you will get the answer, and in then only your knowledge will enhance. Note down this point. Sometimes it helps to note down important words or points even as you listen. Okay, that's the reason every time teacher told you to take a book and pen with you. If some important points are there, some important words are there, note down in your notebook, because that is the important thing, that is the important point. And once you read out the important points, you will recall all the things whatever teacher teach you. Okay. It's also help to keep thinking about what you heard. You may grasp the meaning of the difficult word or phrases later on. Okay. In an English language, in an English subject, you can find out so many difficult words, so many new words are there, even the phrases are there. So if you heard that thing, you have to find out the meaning. Most of the students, what they are doing, they are just trying to read out the new words. They don't want to bother what is the new word meaning. They have not interested to learn the new words meaning. But you have to do, the children, you have to learn the new words the meaning, because that is help out to you to enhance your conversation skill also. जितना न्यू वर्ड्स आप अपनी कन्वर्सेशन में यूटिलाइज करेंगे, दैट विल increase your communication skill. This thing you have to remember. So here the student, our lesson, be a good listener. It's not just a part of your lesson. It teach you that you have to be a good reader, good listener. If you are a good reader, if you are a good listener, then only you will enhance your skill. Very confidently, you do conversation in front of the person. Understood? So this is all about our today's lesson, that to be a good listener. If a speaker talk to you, some points you have to keep in your mind, that I'm a good listener. This point we have to recall it and note down each and everything, because it enhance your skill. And after be a good listener, you have to be a good reader, क्योंकि आपने न्यू वर्ड सुने, यू हैव टू लिसन अ न्यू वर्ड, बट उस न्यू वर्ड्स के न्यू मीनिंग्स फाइंड आउट करने के लिए यू हैव टू बी रीड द बुक्स. So first be a good listener, then a good reader, and then after enhance your skills, and at last you might become a good speaker. tab aap mein, then after you will get the confidence, then I will be a speaker. I can stand in front of the whole audience and I can speak out very well. Okay, now it's time of reading. Here, what you have to do, here you have to read the sentence properly and you have to start guessing what should be the word there and the sentence should be completed. Okay, don't be hesitate. It will be wrong, it will be right. Don't worry, teacher is there to help it out. Okay, so let me find out some student first here. Uh, Neil Ansurkar, I'll unmute to you, beta. Hello, Neil Ansurkar, are you there? Okay, fine. You will lose the marks. Yeah. Okay, fine. He will lose the marks if you're not responding fast. Okay. Adarsh Yadav, I'll unmute to you.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, beta. And read the first question.
Once there was a crow. He was very thirsty. He wanted to drink
He wanted to drink dash. What will come there, beta? Just
water.
think and okay. He want to drink water. Fine. This is answer is correct. He wanted to drink some water or he wanted to drink a water. So here you complete the sentence. Very good, beta. Mute yourself. Now next student.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Here Samarth. Oh, Samarth. Okay, he's not responding. Fine. Okay, Samarth, I'll unmute to you, beta.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, beta. Please read the second question.
There was dark cloud.
Read loudly, Samarth.
There was dark cloud in the sky. Soon it began to.
Soon it began to dash. What will come? See, there were dark clouds in the sky. Soon it began to dash. What will come?
Raining.
Raining or rain. Rain, it is correct, no? Rain will come, rain, not a raining, rain. Okay. Very good. Good try. You can mute yourself, beta.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Mansi. Mansi, I'll unmute to you, beta. Read the third question. Yes, beta. Read the third question.
Yes, teacher.
Third question, read, beta.
Okay. This tape is broken. Please be.
Dash. This step is broken. Please be dash. What will come? Don't be nervous. Whatever you feel, you can say. Teacher is there for correct you.
Okay.
At least you should try. Okay, very nice. Most of the students have started replying through the chat box. Okay, I will help it out you, Mansi. That is the careful. Okay, this step is broken. This step is broken. That means it shows there is something dangerous. Please be careful. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
No problem, beta. No problem. Next time you can do it very well. Okay? Now you can mute yourself. Now here, student, one more thing I want to tell you, because when you do the reading, one thing I noted down, you're not take a proper pose, you're not take a, you not read it properly the sentence. Okay, this is not the skill. This is not the part of the reading skill. Whenever you read the sentence, read it nicely. Okay. I know when the teacher call out your name, you start afraid or you start hesitate. But relax yourself and read the sentence very nicely. Your intonation, voice modulation, you have to see the punctuations also. Okay, when you read the sentence or when you read the paragraph. Now here, student, let me discuss about the creative writing. Okay, that we discuss later on. Let me ask you a few questions. That is the evaluation part. There are fruit, vegetables, so many things are there. What we call this chart? Yes, we call food pyramid. This is the food pyramid. Now, this is just a picture. Okay. Now, if I told you, give you the proper in detail information about this picture. So what you have to do, you have to be write it down in short paragraph. You have to write the short paragraph. You are studying in a 5th standard student. You must have heard about the picture composition, picture comprehension, because I know very well that is in a 3rd standard also, that is in a 4th standard also, the picture composition or picture comprehension. You have to look very good, Sneha. Yes, teacher, very good. That there is a picture. Looking towards the picture, you have to be write down a short paragraph. But how you supposed to write the short paragraph? Before that, you have to collect the information about it. अंडरस्टूड मैंने आपको कोई भी पिक्चर्स दिखा दिए लेकिन उसके पहले आपको उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए यू विल नो अबाउट इट then too you are able to make a paragraph then too you are able to write on that particular topic that is your creative writing if you want to do a creative writing first you collect the more information और ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है we have to read so many books okay so this is See, student, this is the picture. You can take a screenshot of this picture. आप ये picture का screenshot ले सकते हो. This is a food pyramid. You can take a screenshot. I hope most of the students have taken the screenshot of this picture. अब आपको क्या करना है? You have to be write a short para on this food pyramid. आपको इसके ऊपर एक short paragraph लिखना है. You have to write para. Okay. अब उसमें कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए क्या होना चाहिए आई विल नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू I will not going to tell you because in the next lecture I will call out the students name and they have to read out what they have read on this topic. मैं आपको पूछूंगी और आपको मुझे बताना है कि आपने क्या क्या लिखा है and then after we will discuss that how you can make a paragraph, how you can do a creative writing. Understood this thing, students? Understood? If you understood, please type O, capital O in a chat box. No write yes, no write Y. O, capital O, if you understand this thing. Okay. The first person who writing that is Prathamesh. Very good. See, student, if you're writing fast now, it shows that you are thoroughly pay attention towards the teacher. Very good. Very nice. All right, all right. So students, here our one topic is completed. In this topic, we are seeing to be a good listener and I'll show you the how to end, how to complete the sentence and then after a creative writing. In that, I'll show you the food pyramid chart. On that, you have to make a short paragraph.